Hey guys, I thought I'd hop on here with Farmer John.
Well, we've got some news.
Hey guys!
Hello.
We thought we would hop on here and do a little bit of a life update since we haven't kept up with the vlogs quite like we wanted to. Kind of like all things this year, we keep getting curveballs thrown at us.
We've been busy.
Well, busy, and then of course we lost Octavius, so that kind of messed with us a little bit.
After us for a little bit of
and so now that we've actually got some good news on the horizon, and then we have one thing
that's good news.
Yeah, and so we also have something that we definitely can share today. We've got some things that we can't share for a little bit, but we have some news for something that we want to share today.
Yeah.
An introduction, so to speak.
We're getting ready to do something pretty cool today. You excited?
Yes.
Are you ready to see a surprise? Lucky there.
Hi, you.
Oh my goodness.
Hi. Me, OB.
Hey everybody, look. Hi buddy. Say hi everybody.
I'm shy.
Oh, we'll get him over that real quick. So it's been a rough year. Been a lot going on. Crazy year. And I think everybody just needs a puppy. So, everybody meet Obi.
Yes, I'm getting plenty of puppy kisses right now.
I'll get me some in a little bit.
Aww. Alrighty.
So here he is. Everybody meet Obi.
This is OB, Mr. OB.
Yeah, not Opie, not Obi, but OB.
Yes, we call him OB though.
Yeah, we call him Obi. We've called him a lot of names here, especially when he bites, because he's a puppy and he's learning, and sometimes he plays a little bit too hard.
Oh, he's learning.
But O.B.Goode or Obi Goode. This is our boy.
Yes, that's what OB stands for. OB is a Cavachon, which is part Cavalier, which is what Ollie is. Ollie's inside doing homework with Daddy right now. And he's part Cavalier and part Bichon. So that makes...
he's all fluffy.
Yes, that makes him 100% Cavachon.
Yeah.
So here we go. This is him.
Let me bring it up. Come here.
He's very, very fluffy.
He's got me wrapped around his little paw for sure.
We've had him for, well, by the time you see this, a week and a half maybe. Yeah. And he's fitting right in. He's definitely taking our little hearts away. And we're trying to get him acclimated to our crazy lifestyle of being here, there, and everywhere. So he's learning.
We took him down to Ludicrous last weekend, Camp Ludicrous, and he loved it. So we're hoping that means he will be a puppy that enjoys the camper dog life, because, well, that's what he's getting into.
Yes. So he's doing that, and Ollie is adjusting. He's had a rough few days, but he's definitely coming around, because, you know, he's had a rough year too. So anyhow, we just thought we would share that with you. We are currently, if you can't hear by the highway sounds,
we're home.
We're currently in Indiana.
We're bundled up too. I'm not usually one to wear bib overalls, but I've got some work to do outside. And yesterday it was in the mid-70s. Today it's in the 50s because it's Indiana, and Indiana does that to you.
Yes. And
I'm not going to go plow the back 40. I'm just here to do some outside work.
Yeah. So we thought we'd hop on here. We are, like I said, we're in Indiana while Mikey's finishing his album. We think we've figured out some ways to get back on the road and do a little bit of traveling, but a much different way than we've done in the past, so that we can socially distance and all that jazz. But it's going to still be a while because he's got to finish his album.
Yeah, no pressure, Mikey. 'Cause we can't travel till the album is done.
Chop, chop.
We're projecting to have it done by the end of the year.
Yes.
And then as soon as I get all the masters back, we're jumping in the camper and we're going to head somewhere. We're not quite sure yet. We're working on that. We think we've got a few...
We're tentatively putting
targets.
together some plans.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to bring you along with that. We also have come up with some plans regarding cooking videos. As you know, we've gradually came back. And so we still are on that path where we have a crock pot recipe right now. It's about every Wednesday. That's subject to change. But we are working hard to get ready to relaunch Foodie Fridays again. So all of our foodie friends
with some new toys are coming.
Yes, we're getting ready to do that too. And then those of you that have reached out and said you missed the vlogs, I think we've figured out a way to do that. I'm not so sure when that's all going to happen because we're just kind of taking things day by day, trying to get projects done. He's in the studio a lot. And we're doing things on the back end, and Aunt Lou is working on the front end and the back end of the website. So we're doing a lot of things. It's just not the same as it once was. So we're trying to get back to some kind of familiar rhythm.
I just playing with the puppy. Go ahead.
And all while having a new puppy. And so we hope to keep coming and hopefully add some things here in the near future. Not again, no promises of exactly when, because I don't want to promise and then it fall through. I'll just be honest, we were kind of thrown for a loop. I mean, we knew Aki was sick, but we were thrown for a loop when we lost Aki, so that kind of, all the plans we had then kind of just got turned on its head, like so many things have this year. So we are getting back up again.
Music-wise, like I said, we're doing the album. I'm releasing a new single at the end of the month. In fact, it comes out about a week after you guys see this. It hit digital, like on Spotify and iTunes and places like that on November the 20th, which is a Friday coming up. But since we didn't give you guys a vlog for the past week and a half or so. It's been a minute. So to make it up for you, hopefully, I'm going to put that song that the world's not going to hear until the 20th. We're going to give it to you guys today at the end of this video. In the meantime, we're going in the studio, we're hitting it hard, and knocking out a few more songs so we can make it a full album. And that should come out at the end of the year. If you guys, really, if any of y'all are digging the music and you want to know a part of that, I recommend that you go over to my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/MikeyGoodeMusic, and you can check it out there.
He can put the link down below.
Yes, I will. I'll put the link here, and then I'll put it, of course, in the description too. But the music's coming along well. It kind of stinks that we can't actually play shows with everything going on. That's one of the big. My manager's got a big rule, and that is no indoor shows, and I'm completely on board with that. I played my last outdoor show on the 31st, froze my toes off doing it, but we had a great time. I'm still going to do some online shows every now and again, so any of y'all who want to be a part of the music, again, go to that Facebook page with the link down below and right here, and you'll get notified whenever I do the online shows. I'll probably do 1 or 2 a month until we bounce out of here for hopefully warmer destinations, or at least different destinations.
We'll have to see what's coming, but we're excited. We finally gotten some good news and direction. But for today, we just wanted to hop on here, say hey again, and introduce you to our little dude here. And we thought we would close out with some adorable puppy footage and Mikey's new single that's coming out.
Yeah.
So we'll see you next week, hopefully. Bye.
Say bye, Obi. Say bye, Crock Posse. Say bye, bye.
Set, go. Obi, come here. Ready? Obi. Get daddy. Oh, come here. Good boy, sweet boy. Sweet boy.
City. She had long blonde hair and great big twitty posters hanging up on the wall, so I thought she was cool. But it wasn't too long before things started to change. She said, take me to the mall instead of the range. And I said, honey, please don't mistake me for no fool. And that's when I took that city girl to redneck school. 'Cause I was born in the bed of a 74 El Camino 4x4 on the side of a Texas red dirt road on Travis Tritt's birthday. I shot my first buck before I was 10. I can catch a catfish with my bare hands. I can drink beer all night and work all day. So darling, don't you think you're ever gonna change my redneck ways? Troubles really started to begin when she told me that all I needed was a little more class. Then things got worse, faster than a bullet, when she put me in a suit and tie and tried to cut my mullet. And I caught her trying to throw away my trophy pass. And that's when I told that city girl that she could kiss my country well. 'Cause I was born in the bed of a 74 El Camino 4x4 on the side of a Texas red dirt road on Travis Tritt's birthday. I shot my first buck before I was 10. I can catch a catfish with my bare hands. I can drink beer all night, then work all day. So darling, don't you think you're ever gonna change my redneck ways? Oh, here we go. Thought she was way too good for me, but Mama said she was T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Yeah. 'Cause I was born in the bed of a 74 El Camino 4x4 on the side of a Texas red dirt road on Travis Tritt's birthday. I shot my first buck before I was 10. I can catch a catfish with my bare hands. I can drink beer all night, then work all day. Redneck ways. No, ain't no city girl ever gonna change my redneck ways. If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.